Morning everyone, what do we have in the workshop today? We've got a Ford Focus 2012 TDCi 1.6. Engine management light is on, car's driving perfectly, but the customer reckons there's an issue with the DPF filter, and we've read the fault code, and right enough we have a particular filter efficiency below threshold. So basically what this is looking at is looking at the pressure inside the DPF filter, and it doesn't like the reading. So we're going to go run a few tests on the pressure sensor and have a look at a few of the pipes in it and see what we find. Okay, so we've found a problem, and we're just checking the pressure sensor. So this is what the pressure sensor is here. This is the sensor here. It sends back the signal back to the ECU, and these are the two pipes. One goes before, on top of the DPF filter, and one goes below it, so it's looking at the pressure. Now as we ran down, we noticed that there was a little bit of a split here in this pipe, and there was a lot of soot, which means there's obviously exhaust gases getting out of that pipe. But then as we went down a little bit further on the pipe, you can see just down here, as we moved it, it just completely came away. So more than likely, that's what the problem is with the car. We're going to have to fix that first before we can do anything else. We'll put a new pipe onto it, probably replace both of them pipes, and them rubber pipes, and then do a test drive on the car. But I would say 99% that's the problem with this vehicle. Left unchecked, the DPF filter is going to block, and then it turns into a different ball game. Okay, have a good one. Okay, so we've just completed the test drive of the car. This was something that I forgot to show you under live data, was we were looking at the particular filter differential pressure, and while we were driving this beforehand, it was reading 0 millibar, and even when we were revving it, it wasn't changing. But now that the pipe has been replaced and we give the car a rev, we get a nice reading. So we know now that the sensor is getting the reading it should be, and then as I go into the error memory, we have no error codes, which is what I was expecting. So this car is all sorted and ready to go back to the customer. So happy days.